Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will explore the new feature that has been recently added by Fluvid, and that is internal system audio record. Now, this feature will record the audio of any video that is played on your laptop, or if you watch a video on YouTube, or if you listen to some music, that audio will be recorded by Fluvid. Along with the microphone, you can record the internal system audio and the microphone, the mic that you're using simultaneously. Now, this is a big bonus for gamers. Now, not just gamers, everyone. In fact, sales professionals, they can record Zoom meetings, they can record Hangouts, and even for instructors, for teachers, if they're explaining something, they're teaching something using a video, then even that is beneficial. Now, how to use this feature? So let me explain. So let's just click on the Fluvid icon. Now, once you start the recording, just make sure in the advanced option, just make sure the system sound, this option, system sounds. Now, disabling system audio will mute any background audio playing in the active browser tab. So just make sure you enable this, you turn it on. Yes, now it's done. And then you can start the recording. Now, the best part, I have already recorded a video using this feature. So let me just show it to you right now. Go to the video library. And yes, this is the video. Let's just play it. So in this particular video, the sound was clearly audible, and in this you are watching a YouTube video. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid, and if you have any questions, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.